everyone, my name is Angela at OCDetailing, and right now our guys are finishing up this beautiful Model X. It used to be a stealth gray, but we did a full color change PPF wrap. So now it's in this beautiful Dyno-Purple-Matte. On top of that, we also tinted all the windows in 3M crystalline 70%. So not only does it look cooler now, but it's literally gonna feel cooler. If you would like your car wrapped as well as this, feel free to hit us up at OCDetailing and we will take care of you.